Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving from Linstead to Ewarton. Now, Linstead is the largest town you're going to find outside of Spanish Town when driving from Spanish Town to Ocho Rios. Linstead is a huge town, it's very developed, lots of government infrastructure. They have banks, schools, everything you need for a major town. Ewarton now is much smaller, mostly a residential area. You're not going to find banks, they have a police station, you're not going to find a courthouse. But Ewarton was built to support the bauxite plant that's there. The name changes many times, but that is the main thing for Ewarton. It's the bauxite plant. I remember these plants can hire thousands of people, so you find the Ewarton area just has stuff to support a residential area for persons at one time that worked at the plant. And then you have Linstead, which is probably a 10-minute drive away, where you will find a more developed town in terms of infrastructure and those things. Like you have big supermarkets, you have all the fast food chains in Linstead. As we said, you have the banks, courthouse, police station, those kind of things. Alright, so this is the bauxite plant on the right now. It's Ewarton Works, West Indies Alumina Company, also called Windalco. So we're going to come up to the main town for Ewarton, and then we're going to enter our drive over Mount Rossa. Now, Mount Rossa is a very iconic hill in Jamaica. It's very narrow. They've widened it a little bit now, but on the journey from Kingston to Ocho Rios, you have the flat bridge, which is very iconic, and you have Mount Rossa. Now, these two places you can have traffic delays because one, flatbridge can become blocked or the gorge can become blocked, and two, Mount Russell is famous for traffic delays because the road is narrow, so when two big trailers try to pass or two big trucks, the road can become blocked. Government has widened it at some points, but it's still a major issue when you're driving over to the north coast. However, you have the highway now, so that helps. But the highway is very expensive to use, and these big trucks will be considered class 3. And they pay the highest toll. Alright, so this is the actual town of Ewarton now. At this intersection we're coming up to the fork. If we turn left, we go into the residential part. But we're going to turn right and go start the journey over Mount Russell. So we are in the parish of St. Catherine now. On the right is the Ewarton police station, and then here you have stores, bars, restaurants, gas station, everything you need to support a small residential area. And remember, Ewarton was built to support the Windalco plants, the bauxite plant, because it wasn't always called Windalco. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.